Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Epic Games on CC Boot Cloud. First of all, download and put the installer on the desktop. Then, run the installer. Change the destination folder. And continue installation. After the Epic Launcher installation is completed, install a game. Wait until the game is downloaded. Then go to the settings and open Game Fixes. Now add the directory we used before and the game is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.